that property only. See, from the day onward, right? From the day Spring Boot, what is that? Spring Boot, when I was started, from the day onward, first day onward only, we are playing with what is that? Property file as well as what? YAML file. Okay, these two only in Spring Boot, right? So means too much because of that property, too much code we are reducing, guys. Okay, I will show that. Okay, I will show this here only. So here, just I'm going to explain what first one things, guys. Okay, so this is what. So just think about that. If in our application, if our programming requirement, right, in the project, if need to send the mail, right, send the mail, how we can implement in our project, that is the question, right? That is the question. So those things only. So here what I'm going to do now, this is the my mail is there, right? This one is the my mail is there. Just I'm opening the Gmail, guys. Okay, just I'm opening the Gmail. So first what I'm doing now, guys. Okay, so first come inside that. What first step what we are doing, we have need what is that email ID, right? What is that? We have need what? Email ID now. We have need, but I have already what is that? Already register mail ID I have. Okay, okay, mail ID I have account. Okay, so after then first what we will do now, we have already account, right? So second step what we are doing now, guys, see that step to step we are seeing that now. Okay, step to step, see this, guys. Whoever joining our meeting, right? Amrani has joined, Shaurabh has joined, Ayodele has joined, Mani, Sachin, uh, Ajit, Gautam, whoever will join the session, right? In the mail, I will get everyone information. See Spring Boot session. Who is joining now? 428. So Ayodele has joined at the 4:28 p.m. now. See this timing also will be there. The people who is thinking in smart. If the people think about that smartly, right? I will join between the session. Their timing also there. Who is the join? How much time? Okay. So fine. Let it be. So this is what? This is the okay. So what is the step now, guys? What is the step now? See this. Okay. Just I'm logging out, right? Logging out. This one already I created. Okay, this account we will use it. Okay, those are the personal account. Okay, for I will give the username and password for this account also. So first what we are doing now, first we are opening the browser, guys. Okay, first what we are doing, the opening the browser. After then we are after then what we are doing in the browser, Google Gmail, we are entering in the browser. What is that? www.gmail, right? Gmail, right? Gmail, we are gmail.com. Then what we are doing now, after then what we are doing now, we are reaching the Gmail account, username, password. Already my account is logged in, right? Logged in, because of that it's coming by default, but I will log out now. Okay, so second step what we are doing now, here, everything need, guys. Okay, because of that I'm expanding. Okay, after then what, go to next step, what, go to what, browser, and what is that, and enter url, what is that, like www.gmail.com. Okay, so we are entering this url, right? After then just log out. Guys who just now joined, right? Just now joined, I created a one group, right? In that group, I will share the videos link from here onward. Okay, so this is the group, our WhatsApp group link, guys. Join it. From there only you will get what, our YouTube video link. Okay, from here onward, YouTube video link will be not public. If from here onward, private will be there. Private video. I will make the videos as a private. Whoever really need, those people will get. Okay, help. It's not meaning that helping is a good thing, but you know who really having the need. Okay, everywhere, guys, laziness is not good. In my point of view, in see, if in the education also, if you show the laziness, right, then your life will become lazy, total lazy, right? In education also, at least some show somewhere sincerity, right? Somewhere sincerity. See, I'm not saying that, okay, I'm helping the people, okay, but it's not meaning that just I will upload the video, and what you will do now, at the sleeping time after eating full stomach food, right? And when you will go to bed, at that time you will watch the video. Means, you know, here what is that, here little bit what you people are active, but if see, if any stress and all those things not there, right? Just 5 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute, you will watch the video, after then you will sleep. Okay, and what is that, after then you will not do the web practical also. Practical also you will not do, I know that. Okay, so if here you will there, right, means you will show some sincerity. If means in the 100%, if you show your 40% sincerity also, something will go in your mind, right? But on you, when youtube is when you will working whenever you are working in company, and if you are stucking at the development time, right, at the time, okay, video is there on YouTube, let's see that, let's watch that, and let's complete the project, let's complete the project. For that time YouTube is good, right? But if you are learner, if you are learner, sit with any faculty. I'm not saying I'm a faculty, guys, okay, don't treat me as a faculty. But who, I forget that person name. Who's the? I forget that person, right? So someone is asked, that fellow, you know, read like near about 15,000 book. Okay, now. So in the 15,000 book, someone is asked, okay, if you want to give in your experiences, right? Someone life make easy, easy. So what you will give? So that person is said, you know what? uh, learn from the expert. Who is the expert? Because everyone don't having the capacity to read what is that 15,000 50,000 book. Okay, so what is that, if you are learning from the expert, right, he having the knowledge, just learn from them, and what you will utilize is, because your life will complete. You can't, if you think about that, I will learn myself only, right? Your whole life will complete, your whole life will complete. You can't learn properly the things also. Okay, because everyone having brain different, guys. Okay, everyone brain has been different to thinking capacity and all those things. Okay, so so you know, so what you have to do, just don't. Okay, so here I already created one Gmail for you. I will give what, I will give the username password also. So what we will do now, here just I'm putting the username, right? Here manually I'm doing, right? Manually I'm doing now. Here I'm doing the manually. Now fine, guys, copy this one, and what we will do now, what we will do now, come inside that password, right? Password. Now next it. So after logging this one, right? After logging this account, so something, just think about that. This account, my account is logged in, right? This account is what, logged in. So what we did now, till what we did now, so here what is that, go to browser and enter what is that, go to browser and enter Gmail. After then what, third step, what we are doing now, guys, fill what is that, fill details, username and pwd password, right? Password for what is that, login, for the login purpose, right? For the login purpose. Now fine, guys. Okay, so fine. After filling that, right, after filling that, what will happen now, our login is still, account is not logged in, actually net problem. Now the see that, this one is what, this one is what, our what, our, okay, Okay, so this one is logged in, guys. Okay, this one is what, logged in. Fine, now fine. Okay, so this account is logged in. Okay, so now, okay, so here what will happen now, if we want to send anyone email, right? I want to send anyone email, right? So this dialog box will open now, right? This dialog box means what we are doing now, guys. Manually we are doing these things. Okay, manually we are doing in the Gmail, right? So here what we are doing now, we are giving what, email, right? It means email address. After then here what we are doing, the subject we are giving, right? After then if we want to attach CCC, carbon copy, to send anyone others, so here what we are doing, we are giving the carbon copy also, right? Here VCC is there, right? Blind carbon copy means if we send, other user can't see, right? Other user can't see, and this email will go to those people privately, right? Like this, and this is the text area, right? This is the text area. Okay, so here if you want to attach anything, okay, here code reduce is there. I know that this concept I explain inside, what I explain inside in the Spring also, but here Spring Boot and Spring, here too much code reduce, I will reduce. Okay, just I will write 1 2 line code using property, the code will work. Okay, then I will give the difference also, guys. Okay, I will give here difference also. Now fine, now fine, this is the text area, right? This is the text area, and what is that, if we want to attach the file, right? File, and when next what we will do now, send button, right? Send button. So this is nothing but in the programmatically, guys, what is that, this total things is called what, mime type, right? This total things is called what, mime type. Mime type means what, multi-purpose internet mail extension. Multi-purpose, what is the multi-purpose, just multi-purpose here, what is that, multiple different things is there now, CCC, BCC, two. And if you want to drive, right? If you want drive also there, attach the file also there, means one only single window, what is that, multiple thing is there or not, guys? Come on. So same, like this is called what, multi, MIME, right? MIME, multi-message, right? Multi-message means multi-purpose internet mail extension. That is called what? Multi what? Multi-purpose internet mail extension, right? So after then what we are doing now? So this information we are filling, right? This information, fourth operation, what we are doing now, guys? Fourth we are fill. So third, right? Fourth, yeah. Fourth, what is that? Click. We are clicking on compose, right? Compose button. What is that, what we are doing, the compose button. Compose button, for what is that, for new, what is that, message. For what, new message, right? New message creation. Create, just create, right? Create, okay. After then see this, we are clicking what, just I'm cutting that compose button, right? So to send the message, right, to message, this box is opening now, right? In the box, what is that, different things is there, right? Different to CCC, BCC, subject and a text area, attachment, send, right? Send. So okay, so by using this box, what we are doing now, guys, we are sending the mail. Okay, we are sending the mail to, what is that, whoever having the need. Okay, we are sending the mail. So now fine, guys, so fine now. So next what is that, okay, fine. So after then what is that, we are using inside that, what, multiple things is there, right? What is that, then fill the, what we are doing now, filling the details, like what is that, two is there. After then what is that, CCC is there. What is that, after then BCCC is there. After then what is that, subject is there. After then what is the text is there, right? Text is there, right? Text is there. Attachment is there, right? These details are there. After then what next we are doing now, guys? After then last we are clicking the send button, right? Clicking the send button, right? Send button. Send, what is that, button. Okay, this much things we are doing. Okay, if we are opening the Gmail, right? Email we are opening whenever we are opening. But what is that, first we have need to do some settings, okay, in our email, guys. Okay, then we can able to send what is that with what with our this email what is that mail we can then we can send it. Okay, so how we can what privacy we have need to change. Okay, so click on that after opening your email, right? Click on that your account manage, go inside that what is that manage account. Okay, go inside that manage account, go inside that what security, inside security go down, right? Go down and here see that less secure application access is what off. If this one is off, you can't send the email, guys. Whenever you will try to send the mail using what is that programmatically approach, right? Programmatically approach, then what will happen now, your application will not able to send the email using what this email address. So what you will do now, click on that, just make this one as what on, and what then updated it means make this one as a on means what is that, see that less secure application access, some application and what is a device use less secure single sign in technology with what means what is that your email is not that much secure, but in the company, right? In the company, see that what is that my email is there, what is the rt dot something 88245117 is there, right? So if if whenever you are entering in the company, like how your email address is there, guys, like at the rate something company name at the rate gmail.com, like this digit will be not there, right, in the company, because why? They are paying for that. Okay, the company is paying to what, take the domain, right? Domain and all those things, you meaningful name, not a 1 2 3 4. Okay, so so for that what is that, their company is paying for that. Okay, the company is paying for that. Okay, so now fine, guys. So now fine. Okay, so here what we are doing now, here manually we are coming inside this application, right? But what our need is what, using what is that, no, I don't want to do these things. Okay, I want to go, right? I want to implement these things as what, programmatically. I want what is that, to implement in what, our application, our programmatically approach. So okay, so our application will do these things. Okay, based on that our application, we will mail we will send the mail to what, end user, right? End user. Okay, so whenever this one will need, guys, whenever we are developing real time project, in the real time project what we are doing now, whenever we are giving what is that mail facility to end user to mail the what is that, their customers, right? Their customers. So at the time we are implementing this what mail API. Yeah, using mail API we are giving these things. Okay, this facility we are giving to end user. Now fine, now guys. Okay, so next one is what, so this much operation, right? So to perform this operation, okay, so in the Java only, right? In the Java, what is that, Java mail sender API is there, right? In the Java, and that one is given by previously Sun. Now Oracle is there, right? Now Oracle is given to use what is that, to use by what is that, then this things is only used by what is that, Spring also, Spring Boot also, with what is that, with what, auto configuration, right? For what is that, implementation email attachment, with email implementation what is that, email attachment, right? Attachment. So for that, okay, guys, so but what will if we implement as what, these things as a what, auto configuration as what, in Spring Boot email attachment. So what we will do now, guys, we have to come inside that, right? Come inside the application. Okay, so Java mail sender, right? Dependency, which dependency we have need? Okay, so we will not add. Okay, just I want to show you people, right? I want to show this one. Okay, so for that, what is that, Spring hyphen boot hyphen what is that, yes, starter hyphen mail Maven dependency. Maven dependency, we will this dependency, based on that whenever we will put this dependency, right? inside that what, inside that our application, guys. Okay, so inside that our application Spring Boot made starter, right? Yeah, so see this. So the what is that boilerplate code, right? Whatever boilerplate code is there, those boilerplate code will remove it, right? Those boilerplate code will remove. Just what we have need to concentrate on what, logics only, guys. Okay, so just we have need to concentrate on what. Don't worry. At the time of creating the project, right? I'm copying from the this one, right? Internet, but at the time of creation just we will select there only, right? We will select these things. Okay, so don't worry, everything will be ready made in the Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot, what is that, too much easiest way is there, just everything will come at a auto configuration. Okay, so fine now, guys. So now what is that? So just think about that, this dialog box. Okay, this dialog box is there, right? Compose, right? Here what is that, compose is there now. Compose is there, means this dialog box. So to generating this dialog box as a what, programmatically what is that, that is called what is that, mail message, right? This one is called in the programmatically we implement what is that, that object name is what, mail message, guys. Okay, mail message. Okay, so using mail message, what we are doing now, using mail message, what we are doing now. So just think about that. Okay, so this is the 1 minute, 1 minute, this is the dialog box. Okay, this is the dialog box. Okay, inside that what is there now, inside that what is there now, guys? Inside that two, just think about that, I'm giving what, two service, right? Two is there. Okay, two is there. After then here only I'm giving what is that, CCC and BCC also. CCC and what is that, BCC. BCC also I'm giving, right? After the next one is what, this area I'm giving what is that, CCC, the subject, sorry, subject. Here what I'm giving now, subject, right? Subject, right? Subject. After then what is that, which area is there now, guys? What is that, text area, right? Text area. Okay, this is what, text, right? This is the text area. Fine. Now next one is what, here what is there now, here what is there, file attachment. Just what I'm doing now, file attachment is there, right? File attachment is there, right? Attachment, here send button is there, right? Send, leave it now. So this is the what, this is nothing but what, guys? This is nothing but what is that, mail, what is that, this is what, mail, what is that, yummy message, right? This is called what, yum message, mail message, right? This is not, this is nothing but if we want to this facility to implement inside that what application, this is nothing but, this facility is nothing but what, mail message, right? Mail message. Using this mail message, what we can do now, guys, what we can do now using mail messages, using mail messages, we are, it is right, it means what is that, mail message means what is that, it means, it means what is that, your email support, support sending, what is that, sending what, data, sending data like what is that, like which kind of data, guys? Image. After then what is that, audio. Another one is what, video also we can send na, video, video. After then what, PDF also we can send, PDF, right? PDF also we can send. After then document. After then we what, we are text also, right? Text also, etc, right? Etc. So using what is that, mail message, what we are doing now, this operation we will perform it now, right? So first one more things. Okay, guys, so till now the things is what is that, so we are doing that manually, but how we can implement as a programmatically, how we can implement these things as what, programmatically. So guys, strength is just now increased, right? Increased. So again in the chat box, because who just now joined, right? Those people will not get in. See, guys, from here onward, you people will not get our what is that, email, right? You people will not get what, our YouTube video on public. From here onward, public video will be not there. You will get what is that link. So for that, I created one group. Okay, I created one group, and that group link I'm giving inside that chat box. Okay, use utilize it and add yourself in that group. Okay, from there only you people will get what YouTube channel, YouTube video link. Okay, from there that one will be helpful for you. Okay, so till now the things we will do it. Okay, so but here what is that programmatically we are doing these things. Okay, so from here onward what we will do now programmatically. Santosh, previous video all are there as a what is that public in our YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe our YouTube channel and you can watch it. But till now whatever session I took, right, all video is public only. But by seeing that people laziness, okay, I decided I will give. Okay, who is that really doing hard work? Okay, so let's think about those people. Why we will think about those who is the totally lazy? Okay, so because of that I'm taking this action. Okay, but still in my internal soul is not allowing me. But what I can do, yeah, see, if we are showing our what goodness to people, and the people is what taking advantage of those. Okay, so that is also not good. Okay, that is also not good. So leave it, whoever really need. Okay, for those people we will help. Okay, we will help. But who really no need. Okay, so leave it, those people, leave it, no need. Okay, so fine guys. Okay, so fine now. Okay, so okay guys, so Syam, please videos, switch off your camera. Okay, so fine now, guys. So, okay, so what we will do now? Next, what we will do now? Okay, so these things, okay, but what is that one more concept I'm going to explain it, guys? Okay, so before, because here, what is that our application will interact, right? So just think about that. These two application, two computer is there, right? Two computer is there. Okay, one more computer is there. Okay, in one computer. Okay, so if this computer want to interact, right, if this computer want to interact with what this computer, so what is the need, what need to call, means how our this computer will interact with this computer, guys? How? So need what is that IP address, right? IP address means what? This is the what protocol, right? Protocol. Based on that IP address, what we will do now, we can access this computer or not, guys? Come on. So IP address we need, right? IP address need. Okay. So no. Okay. Okay. Based on that IP address, we connected with this computer. Okay, fine. So next one is what? Next one is what? In this computer, what is that? Multiple different application is running, right? Multiple different application is running. Okay. So I want to access this application, right? This application. So this application, if in this computer, if one application is running in what, one application is running one place, so that is what one port is there or not, based on port, right? Port. On that port, what that application will run, guys? Okay, so port number we need, right, to interact with what is that IP address plus what port number. Then what we will do now, then we can interact with what another computer, what application or not. Come on, guys, come on. Okay, so now, so same like guys, same what we will do now, same what we will do now. Here also what happening now, guys? Here what happening now, guys? Here, so just think about that. Our Gmail is running from what server? Fine. So mean if server in the server, in some server is there, in that server, what is that? That Gmail is running now, guys. Fine. So okay, so just think about the. Okay, so we need what is that? IP address is nothing but what in the in what web terminology, what we have need URL or not, transport layers, we something is there, layers concept is there. So we have need what is that? What is that IP? Sorry, nothing but what URL to reach there. What did that application, that server or not, guys? After then what is that? In that server, our Gmail, where our Gmail is running, that port number is need na to interact. So So whenever, but because we are developing our own application or not, we are developing our own application.